Hi, this is Pranav Achanta from Informatica Support, and in this video KB, I'll be telling you how to make a HTTP GET call using the REST consumer transformation and then use the inbuilt parser to parse the data. So the agenda for this video is to create a REST consumer transformation, configure it to make a HTTP GET call, define the output message and the output mapping in the transformation, and then parse and capture the data into output ports. So in this step, I have a REST consumer transformation already defined. You can refer to a previous video to see how we use the REST consumer transformation to get unparsed data. So as you can see, I have already made a call to my web service in verbose data mode. You can also refer to another video that I have done to know the process of setting the verbose data mode and seeing the response in the verbose data mode. So once I open the verbose data mode log, I search for my HTTP response, and once I get the response, look for this XML response in your verbose data log. So as you can see, while converting the JSON to XML, the tool has added a root element called XML root. So we'll use this XML root as a root element while defining the schema in our REST consumer transformation. So in the next step, I am creating a REST consumer transformation. I'll name this parsed, REST consumer underscore parsed. Our HTTP method is still get. The input is not applicable. And in this step, I will say create as empty, but I'll go ahead and create my first element, which will be the XML root, since that is the element that the tool is adding. And next I'll add an element, a child element to it called foo, and then I keep on adding the elements that are in my structure. So once I add all the remaining elements in my output definition, I go to the output mapping, and this is where we define the relationship between the elements in your response and the ports in the transformation. So as you can see, the XML root is mapped to the first element on your ports, and the other elements are mapped respectively to their counterparts in the output definition. So you click finish. So I connect my source to the transformation and I configure the URL and the input format and output format. Now I can go ahead and run it in the data viewer mode. So as you can see, the parser, the inbuilt parser in the REST consumer transformation has parsed the fields according to the structure you have defined in the output definition. That's it from this video. We would love to hear from you. You can contact us at supportvideos@informatica.com or using our Twitter handle InfoSupport. Thank you very much.